pack up just yet because Da Nang during the rainy season is full of cozy cafes, colorful markets, relaxing spas, and hidden adventures that come alive when the skies turn gray. First up, nothing says rainy day in Vietnam like a rich coffee while you sit and watch the world go by. Da Nang's coffee culture shines even brighter on a rainy day. You can sit a tiramisu coffee right here at Kopi Coffee, or go to Webe and try a delicious salted coffee, coconut coffee at Gom Garden, or an avocado coffee at Thin. Regardless of what you choose, every sip is like comfort in a cup.